So what are we doing?
We're building a birdhouse.
All right. So we already got one built for Mia. Little one right here.
Yeah. I got glue. I got glue.
Yeah. All right. Now Abigail, you have to figure out how to put one together.
What's the floor?
I think this is the floor right here.
Okay, first I'll be like, oh, that's the back. I'm gonna.
Do you know where that piece goes?
No.
Then maybe you shouldn't put glue on it yet. Maybe you should build it first and then put glue on it so you know how to do it afterwards. So that's where you think that piece goes?
That looks confusing.
Well, which house do you have? This one?
I think this one.
Well, look for the sides. Do you have little hearts or do you have circles?
Yay!
You have hearts. So that would be this one. Or
That would,
that
would be this one. That's the...
Yeah, so you've got this one right here. Okay. So.
Is it this one? No.
No. Well, look. See, it's got it in the middle there. So, yeah, you were right. That goes in the middle. And then this goes on the other side. Yep, that's the one you have, Mia. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Wow. Baby. Baby.
Yeah, careful. Zoom out more. Yep, you fell down.
First, I'm gonna want to build the wall.
Alright.
Then this here.
Careful. Here, let me see. Yep, you got that. Maybe try to put this in first before you put it in the bottom. So put it in here first. Probably gonna need to do both sides then that way.
I think this side might be better. Yeah, maybe.
Well, you probably gotta put in this other side too, hon. Otherwise it's gonna be the same thing to try to put it in. It's gonna be a pain. You painting? Cool. Oh, you painting it blue? Let's see. Ooh. Pretty.
It won't do it. Help! Now.
Please.
Please.
So there we go. We got that side in. We got that side in. Now put the next side on. Wait, before you put it in, probably going to want to put this side in too. But you got to knock the wood out on that side.
This is a roof.
Oh, that's the roof? Well, then where's the other side piece?
I think it's...
Right here. There you go. Yep.
Okay, there you go. Little Mart. I'm gonna call this side of the wall Little Mart.
Careful, don't break it. Now try to see if you'll get it down. Yes. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty.
This one?
You can do the other side too? Cool.
It's being a pain in the butt. They sell the scam.
It's not. It's going in. Uh-oh. Whoop. You got some hair, mommy hair?
That's the best I can do. Okay, now undo the glue.
It's got to go more than that, honey.
No. It will glue.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we haven't put the glue down yet, so that is true. Okay, well, you can see how the rest of it goes. So here, before we do anything else, see how it goes. So you're going to have to take it apart now and then glue it. Oh. Ooh, cool. Don't break it if you grab it. Hey. Try to put, since it's already pretty well together, try to put a little bit of glue on it and then push it back together. Stop pulling. Stop pulling. Try to put a little glue in here. Stop. Okay, well, it's going to make it a pain to put it back together, but you got to put glue in the intersections where it's going to touch.
Well, I don't care. So I will. Oh. Don't you dare! Don't you dare come off again, Jimmy. Okay. Okay.
So where is they gonna touch?
Oh, I know. I know. That's a separate dish.
Where you putting the glue? Don't put it in the hole, no. See, when that goes down, it's gonna touch here. So put it along that. There you go. It's blue? Ooh.
A
More blue?
That's a blue.
Is blue your favorite color?
Yes. How blue.
There you go. Now push it all the way through. Yep, there you go.
Blue.
Yep,
I did
it's
it.
blue. Cool. All right, now do the next side. Now just remember, are you going to be able to get these pieces on now? Now that you have that, remember you put them all on first before you connect it to the bottom piece. So you're going to be able to put them on now? Yeah, it's red. Or is that orange? Oh, it's orange. You're right.
No, stay there. Stay right there, Miss
Ooh, purple.
Berry. You're going into detention, Miss Young Lady. Detention is
Hey, stay up there and
But you're supposed to blow it down.
no, it's you gotta put all of it together before you can let it dry.
No,
Mm-hmm.
no, don't.
Yes.
No.
All right, start putting it together. Come on, you've got glue on there.
I can't.
Put it all together off of the base like you did last time. So don't put it on the base first. You didn't put it on the base first last time. That's why we put it together the first time.
Big brain moment.
Yeah, there you go. Now where do those connect? Where should you be putting the glue before you stick that in there?
Yay! Boo! Boo! Boo!
Blue, blue.
Oh my God, imagine.
Ooh. Oh, messy fingers. All right, let Dad help you with that a little bit.
No.
You sure?
My hat.
Yeah, you got lots on your hands, huh? It's a good thing Dad put that tarp down, huh? There you go. You're figuring it out. Careful.
Yay!
Purple.
No.
It's not purple. That's black. Or is it brown?
Black.
It's black.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
No. Yes, I see.
Are you going to be able to put the other piece on as soon as you get that piece on?
And my purple.
Abigail? What about the piece that goes here?
Dada, and my purple.
Yeah? Keep painting it. You got to paint all of it, hon.
And my purple.
Hmm?
And my purple.
Ooh. Yeah. Looking good.
There we go.
Good job. Now you got to get the next piece in.
Okay, there you are. Don't you dare hide from me ever again. Oh yeah. Have to see how we initiate. Okay, we can. Oh, did you fart? Okay, that's disgusting.
Got to put glue on both sides, hon.
Now here, I'm doing this one first.
Okay.
Yay, blue!
Yeah, blue. Yeah. Blue again, yeah.
Daddy won't go.
You can get it.
Dad, for real?
You got it. Take a breath. See, you got it.
I am not relaxed. I am still in a... Oh, the glue's almost gone.
Here, why don't you move the chair out of the way so you can move a little bit back towards the couch so that I can get... Well, where you're at, I can't get you and Mia in the frame. So why don't you move the... There we go. Hmm? No, you've got your own brushes. What? You want... Here, look. You do this. You wash it in the water.
Glue.
There you go. And then you can go like this. There we go. All
All
clean. Good job.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. I'm not finished. Wow. A masterpiece. Yay!
Yeah, you got your brush clean. Good job.
Yay! Ooh!
Yeah, that's orange. Yep. That's also, is what color? Oh, is that pink? Oh, that is pink. Just a little orange because you got other colors mixed in there. Mm-mm.
This was quick.
All right. Set her down.
I see the jug. I love you.
You came out a little bit this year. There we go.
Okay, I'm almost done. We have to put
Pinch that.
this.
You want more colors?
Just
All right, 1 second.
wow.
Wow. Hey, careful. It's still drying.
Stop me. For real. Wow! Oh my god, I got blue on me. Hey. Don't mind me just liking this glue on me.
Keep painting, Mia. Why don't you use your other brush, your bigger brush? Why don't you use a bigger brush?
I didn't have that much glue for that.
You almost out of glue?
Yeah.
We got that other stick, so.
No.
Yeah, fine. Don't need black anymore. Uh-oh. Did we lose a... We got glue down. Good job.
I did.
You did do it. Look at that. Good job. Now you can start painting it.
Yeah. I'm silly.
All right, you got your new paints, honey. There you go. Paint it with the other brush. Yep, there you go.
Yay!
Ooh, looking good. Let's take a break real quick. All right, we're back. All right, well, this might be a pause until you're done thing, because this could take a while.
Yeah.
All right, we're back. Mia has discovered finger painting. Yep, clean hands. How's yours coming along, Abigail?
Good.
What do you got so far?
I got the half night sky where the sun is setting at the beach.
Cool.
I have the side that is daytime and it's not setting at the beach and everyone's there. And I have the side that's kind of dark and the moon glowing with its bright
Ooh.
thing. And I got the pitch black one I'm doing right now.
Very cool. What do you got? Yeah, look at yours. Ooh, whoa. Oh, that's cool. Looking good, Mia.
Bye.
All right. Well, we'll be back. What? You think that's cute? All right, now you're getting paint all over your shirt. Yeah, all over your shirt.
We're gonna see the comments on my iPad because you can only see comments on iPads.
Oh, can you? All right, we'll be back. All right, looking good. All right, Mia, you want to show me yours? Can I see it? Ooh, looking good and pretty. And you got more on your hands because you're just grabbing it and it's still wet, huh? Looks good. All right, how's yours, sissy?
This is the orange side. This is the green side. This is the beach while it is sun side. This is the beach while it is kind of sun side. This is the beach while the moon is coming down up.
What's this side?
That's the side where it's pitch black and it's
The stars.
nighttime.
Cool. All right, very good job. Say bye.
Bye. Make
Yeah.
sure to hit that thumbs up button and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the link button, the bell down below too.
There you go.
Bye.